This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert from inches to centimeters online. So I like to use this site right here. You can see the URL on the screen. So I'll put that in the video description. You can click on that link and just wind up here. Now I recommend bookmarking this. Wherever you are in the world, you can access this page, whether you're on a cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop, wherever you are. This site is always here for you. We have inches by default here and centimeters. So we just literally put in the value here. So if we're doing, I know 156 inches, we can find that 156 inches is in centimeters, 396.24. So you can change your value here. You can put huge, big numbers in if that's what you need to do. Maybe you're doing some sort of, I know you're doing a house project or something. We can see that this 18,756.98 inches is in fact 47,642.73 in centimeters. You can convert from different things as well with this site. It's very useful, and one of the great things I like about this site is there's not ads littered everywhere. Often there's a lot of these kind of conversion sites and often ad plays, so you get all these ads kind of in the content. It's hard to see what's going on. This one's nice and clean, which is what we like. So hopefully you found this video on how to convert from inches to centimeters online useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.